Hello, in this video we are going to look at referencing manuals. So we're going to use the man command, which allows us to actually get the article from the manuals, the reference manual for a particular command. Because we've been able to find descriptions of a command, like if so this is from the show manual descriptions video. So if I put what is ls, it says it lists directory contents. That's very basic information. If we want to know more, we can put man, then the command, so ls. So this, provides that as well, but it also shows you the use case. So where, the different parameters that you can provide and what all of that does. Because realistically, it's not going to be feasible for me or anyone else to create a set of videos that covers every command with every parameter combination. And you don't actually need that. Because if you go back to my list folder contents video, where I actually covered the ls command, I covered it with on its own and a few of the basic parameters that you will most likely use on a day-to-day basis. What you can do is, if you want to know more information, you can literally put man then the command. So if you want some help, you can type in h, as you can see it says there, and this just gives you some information about just in general about using commands. And you can keep scrolling there for more information. Q to go back, and Q to quit. So let me search for one more. Let me search for you could actually even search for the man command. So man has its own manual page as well. So it's just an interface to the online reference manuals. And as you can see, it shows you all of the different ways that it can be used, which is pretty darn complex. So that is it for searching the reference online manuals. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.